Hello, hens and roosters, and welcome back. And if this is your first time here, welcome. I am Naomi, and this is Summer Hen Beauty. Today, we are looking in my desert island makeup bag. So, if I were to ever find out in advance that I was shortly to be stranded on a desert island, this is what I would pack. Wow, that would be so cool if they sent memos like that. So this is some of my favorites, some of my most versatile options, and some things that I think that would just be good on a desert island, because I think it'd be cool, you know? That's what I got. You ready? You wanna see my faves? Let's do this. Number one, this is Smashbox Photo Finish Primer in Oil. I love this. Look at how little of it is in use. I bought a new bottle of this, and then I started making these videos. And this is very moisturizing, which is amazing for normal people living a normal life. If you're gonna sit under 4 hot lights all the time, but if I was on my desert island, I would take this. If it was a really, really, really hot desert island, I might not, but presumably they'll let me know what the weather's gonna be like in advance. So yeah, it's amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing. Smashbox's regular primer is silicone based, and it comes out and you put it in like a little, like, they say like put it in like a pearl size amount or something like that. Maybe I have a big face, but I was like a pearl size amount does like half my forehead. I don't know. But this stuff, I love. I recommend it to everybody. Smashbox. I love it. Next up. This is, how do we say this? Is it Stila? How do I not know that? I thought it was Stila. Anyway, Stay All Day 10-in-1 HD Illuminating Beauty Balm. Whew, it's water resistant for 80 minutes. So if I want to go swimming on my desert island trip, I could do that. Like literally it doesn't even say what the 10-in-1 things are on the package. You have to put them on the box. There are so many of them. It's moisturizing and it's somethinging and it's something elsing. Probably color correcting in there. This comes in 3 colors. This is like the illuminating one. I'm really pretty dry, and this is good for me for adding a little bit of illumination. This is probably not my favorite foundation, but it is certainly my most versatile thing that does foundation-like things. Put it on with a beauty blender. You can build it up to a degree. There's only so much it's gonna do, but for a nice sheer amount of color and moisture and those other 8 things, pretty much can't be beat. And I'm also really surprised by the fact that it works on my skin. I'm like the whitest living human, and this works. There were 3 colors. This one wasn't like the whitest, and it worked. I don't know, man. So that's that. Next up. Okay. This is a new love of mine. I used to be a boing girl from Benefit. We can't get Shape Tape here in Canada. So this is from NARS. This is Radiant Creamy Concealer. I can say with authority, this is radiant, it is creamy, and it does conceal. I just find it really beautiful. I don't know why. What color is it? It's vanilla, I think? I don't know, I can't read it. Vanilla. It's in vanilla, and I think it's really beautiful, and it's easy to apply. And after the boing, okay, boing is in like a little pot. You gotta do the thing. If you grow your nails out, that's funny. A lot of people would say, use a brush. No, I'm not gonna use a brush. I'm not there, okay? When I have a little pot of stuff, I don't know, maybe I'm still like 6 years old and I think of it like old Body Shop lip glosses. I don't know. But this has a nice wand. It feels very official and grown up. So yeah, NARS concealer. It's pretty cool. It's a new love. If I try Shape Tape, I don't know. But when I'm on my desert island, I'm gonna want a fresh complexion. I'm not gonna look like I didn't sleep last night. I want to just put my best face forward to the pineapples and the volleyballs. Okay, what's next? Okay, Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. Okay, I love this. Everybody loves this, okay? You should just love it. It's just good. I would say, though, that this was actually a tough one. This was a tough one to decide on. I love this. There's a new Stila. Is it Stila? Stila, Stella, Styla, Stula, Stu. I don't know. That I really like. Huge lashes, mega lashes, epic lashes. I don't know. If I find it, I'll put it in the description in the bottom of the video. And then there's Great Lash from Maybelline. It's still awesome. It really is. I love it. I bought a new one to do in the drugstore dance-off that we're going to do soon. By the way, we're doing a drugstore dance-off soon. And I love they have like ones with little brushes and fat brushes and skinny brushes. There's so many things you can do with it. It's really cool. But this is the one that I have. If I had to pick only one, as of now, if you ask me tomorrow, maybe my mind will change. I would pick this one. Apparently the waterproof one kind of sucks. Haven't tried it, but I've heard the waterproof one kind of sucks. That was another thing. If you're going to be on a desert island, do you want waterproof mascara or non-waterproof mascara? In one case, you'd need makeup remover. In another case, it would come off your face every time you went swimming. Oh my God. Okay. Calm down, Naomi. Okay, this is my favorite blush in the world. This is Too Faced Papa Don't Peach. I just got a new NARS palette. I'm still getting to know it. We're still like in the early date phase. But Papa Don't Peach, I have used on every occasion imaginable. I have worn it to weddings. I have worn it to grocery stores. I have worn it to bed. I have licked it to see if it tastes like peaches. This is basically my soulmate in a blush. It is possible that all good things will come to an end one day, but they have not yet. Also, like toddlers can put this stuff on. Seriously, you cannot screw it up. It is not possible to be done. Okay? If you buy this and you get it on your face and it doesn't look right, like if the color doesn't look right, I don't know what to say about that. But if you're like, it's chalky, take it back. You got a bad one. Okay, we're coming close to the end. Whew, this is stressful. Lips. Anything by Sugar. Just anything by Sugar. I did not buy into the hype forever. I was like, whatever, $30 billion for a lip gloss. It's like freaking chapstick, whatever. Whoa, they're amazing. I have a scrub of theirs. I have a treatment of theirs. I got a little 3-pack of the color ones. There was like rose or rosé and tulip. I don't know. This one happens to be the Sugar Dream Advanced Therapy Sheer Pink Lip Treatment. It said something about 24 hours on the package. Who keeps something on their lips for 24 hours? Does that happen? Do people who are not me do that? Do people who are perhaps fasting? I don't know. But anyway, it's wonderful. I wear it to bed. I wear it first thing in the morning. It's just great. Okay, 2 left. Urban Decay. Urban Decay and I have had a rocky relationship over the years. Some of the things that they do, really, my heart pitter-patters. Others, not so much. This is the 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil. I can tell you that it does last 24 hours. Look at this. I have 5 colors in my possession right now. I have 2 more in lip. I think I might have 3 more in lip. I had another color that I gave to my mom. It was called Mildew. It was kind of awkward. I have Oil Slick. I have Sabbath. I have Whiskey. Theme, anyone? I have Deep End. I have Vice. I had the Mildew thing. We're not even going to mention the names of the ones on the lip liners because this is a family show. They do glide on. They do last 24 hours. When I bought this for the first time, I was like, yeah, to the girl at Shoppers. I was like, yeah, but is it going to last? And she bursts out laughing. And another like helper person comes over and is like, what? And I said, I just asked her if this is going to last. And she bursts out laughing. So I was like, okay, I guess it's going to last. So they do. I will say, if you have a really moisturizing thing going on under your eyes, like if you're putting super moisturizers under there, sometimes it gets kind of like emollient and it will run a little bit. Okay, so don't like just reef on your eyes, okay? I think I only have one thing left. I would actually ditch all of these for this one thing. Did I cover my mic? I might have covered my mic. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I covered my mic. This is Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Cream. Nothing is better in the whole world than this. I bought this when it came out. Then they came out with another thing, like a foot cream. I bought that. It's also amazing. I bought the hand cream. I bought the lip balm. I have a scrub. I have this body spray, which, by the way, is pretty amazing. There's something else, too. Scrub? I don't know. I have all of them. I have literally the entire line, except for the ones that are purple, because what was that? What was that about? I don't know. Yeah, and the body spray. Oh my God, the body spray. Okay, but if I only had to pick one of them, because this is a desert island we're packing for here, like, seriously, what are we going to bring, like 3 bags? That's silliness. If I had to only pick one, I would pick this one. The smell, I'm just going to smell it. You can't smell it, but I'm going to smell it. I'm going to smell it for you. I don't even know what to say right now. I'm starting to blush. Like I'm actually starting to actually blush. That's how much I love it. Okay, cool. So that's what I would do if I was on a desert island. Do you remember in Castaway when Tom Hanks was like, and he went and like chopped down palm trees and whatever? I probably wouldn't do anything. I would probably just sit here like licking my Papa Don't Peach, rubbing this sugar stuff all over my lips and sniffing the Bum Bum cream. They say it's for your bum bum. It is wasted on your bum bum. Okay, yes, your bum bum deserves it because your bum bum deserves the best. But you want to put this on every square inch of skin that is not your face. Okay? You want to roll around in it. It is like a pony and a unicorn had a baby, and then that pony unicorn fell in love with a caramel, and then they had a baby. And it's that good. I can't stop it. Okay. Now I'm seriously blushing. I really love it. Okay, that's my desert island makeup routine. I'm gonna need to go cool off. So what do we do next? First, if you have any desert island faves, stick them down there in the comments. I want to see them because if there is something on earth that I could love as much as I love this stuff, I would like to be aware of it forthwith. That's number one. Number two, if you have not joined the Hens and Roosters Club, you can click a button down like there somewhere or possibly there, one of them, and you can subscribe. And there's also a bell. If you click the bell, YouTube will notify you automatically when I come out with a new video. How cool is that? Hens and Roosters, I hope you have an absolutely amazing day. I'm so glad you joined me today, and I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.